Have you ever wondered what happens when BMW decides to challenge the luxury king directly? So sit back and let's check out the brand new BMW 7 Series. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The new BMW 7 Series looks aggressive, modern, and incredibly expensive. At the front, you instantly notice the giant illuminated kidney grille. BMW made it bigger and sharper than before, giving the car a strong road presence. The split LED headlights make the front look futuristic, especially at night, and compared to the Mercedes S-Class, the BMW looks more sporty and bold, while the Mercedes focuses more on elegance. The long body design gives this car a true limousine feel. It stretches over 212 inches long, making it one of the biggest luxury sedan in the world. On the outsides, you get beautiful flush door handles, chrome accents, and massive 20 to 22 inches wheels depending on the trim. At the back, the slim LED taillights look clean and modern. Everything about this car screams luxury and technology, but the real magic starts when you open the doors. Inside the BMW 7 Series, it feels like stepping into the future. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved display system. You get a 12.3 inches digital gap cluster and a massive 14.9 inches touchscreen running the latest iDrive system. The cabin is covered in premium leather crystal controls, ambient lighting, and soft materials everywhere. And then comes the craziest feature, the available 31 inches 8K theater screen. Yes, a giant cinema screen folds down from the roof for rare passengers. You can watch movies, streams, content, and enjoy a full luxury entertainment experience while traveling. BMW also added messaging seats, heated armrest, panoramic glass roof, and a premium Bowers and Wilkins sound system. Honestly, this interior feels more advanced than many luxury apartments. Now let's talk about performance. The base 740i model comes with a 30.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing around 375 horsepower. But if you want serious power, the 760iX Drive is the monster. It uses a 4.4-liter twin turbo V8 engine, producing around 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this luxury sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds, which is honestly insane for a car this big. The top speed is electronically limited to around 130 miles per hour in standard trim, while some performance variants can go even higher. BMW also offers plug-in hybrid variant and the fully electric i7 for buyers who want efficiency with luxury. And despite its size, the 7 Series still drives like a true BMW thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear wheel steering, and xDrive all-wheel drive. This car feels smooth, stable, and surprisingly sporty. Now let's answer the big question: is it better than the Mercedes S-Class? Well, the S-Class still feels softer and more traditional, but the BMW 7 Series feels more futuristic, more high-tech, and more exciting to drive. If you love modern technology, bold styling, and powerful performance, the BMW might actually be the better choice in the 2026. And finally, let's talk about price. In the USA, the new BMW 7 Series starts at around $100,000 for the base model. Higher trims like the 760iX Drive can reach around $125,000 or more with options, and fully loaded variants can easily go for beyond that. Still, for the amount of luxury, technology, and performance you get, this car truly feels like a next generation flagship sedan. So what do you think? Is the new BMW 7 Series finally better than the Mercedes S-Class, or does Mercedes still own the luxury crown? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury car content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.